Hello guys, welcome back to Planet Roomba. In this video we're gonna do a review on the Roborock Q10 series. The model is the Q10V Plus. It's been working very well for a week. I put it through a couple tests and it did a nice job, so tonight I'm gonna test it out. So looking at the floor, I got a scoop of beans. I put some in the corner, put some on the carpet and on the tile floor. Now on the white bits of the tile floor, you can't really see it because tiles are white just like the beans. So, without further ado, let's start. Right, here it goes. Alright, let's see if it can handle this corner. Side brush cannot extend, but it is a 0 tangle. Not a good job, even though it does not have an extendable brush. It missed a couple pieces. Let's see how it does on the carpet. Wow. That is looking really good. And it's missing a few. Let's see how it avoids this table. This is really flat, so I hope it avoids. And no, it can't. And by the way, this uses Reactive tech avoidance. Just like on the Q8 Max Plus or the Q10V that I just bought a few days ago. I will be doing a review on the Q10V later, so stay tuned. Another thing about the Q10V over there, when I was looking at robot vacuums, I realized it was the last Q10V on the shelf, so I bought it before anyone else did. Now it's just gonna avoid the doorstop. It does a pretty good job on hard floor or tiles. So it just went past the door. Now it's gonna bump into another door stop because I have 2 front doors. Let me just open this real quick. We're gonna see how well it deep cleans. I didn't put any beans in there because I didn't have that many beans for other rooms. It's gonna clean around its face just like when I did the unboxing video of this. We'll see how well it deep cleans after it does this loop. But first it's gonna clean this area because it's got navigation. Now, the this bowling pin is going to be used for obstacle avoidance, so let me just put it here. Now it's better. Now it's just going somewhere random. And then it's going to start doing laps. It's going to go this way. Let's see if it can avoid this pin. Oh, going into the carpet, going up. Can it avoid it? No, it can't. It just knocked it over. Let me just pick it back up, see if it can avoid it for the second time. Let me give it another chance. Now, while I let this clean, I'll just tell you the features it has. So, 10,000 pascals of suction, and then it also has VibraRise 2.0, and then, just like always, an auto-empty system. Now, what I don't like about it is the top-mounted LiDAR makes it a little bit bigger so it won't get under your furniture. Now, let's let it deep clean. Oh, you don't want to deep clean? Alright, you can just clean the rest of this area. I don't mind. Just pushed it. Yeah, not great obstacle avoidance because it does not have the camera on its side. So that's one thing Roborock needs to add for their smart robotic vacuum. Now he's just going to circle around for a little bit. Now it's going to continue. He just circled around again. It's getting close to my socks. Roborock, if you fail, it'll be okay. I can give you another chance. It just pushed a beam into the corner. I'll just move this back so it has no problem. Oh, it dodged it. That's nice. Right, it's done positioning. Now it's just gonna clean this area. Now, if you're a big fan, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And let's watch it vacuum the area. We'll need to check its wheels as well if something got stuck. I think it's missing some. Now its wheels just catching it. Now it's gonna get a little bit of the carpet. Just left a few pieces. Yeah. All of them. They just put them back. Are you gonna do this area with a rock? Yeah, you are. Left absolutely nothing. That is good. Good for you. Now, another thing I want to let you know about this robot is I bought this at the VibraRise for $1,200, but I got a discount on this, so it costed less than $1,200. We'll just throw this in here. See ya in the dustbin, little bean. It's gonna do a little bit more. Wow, this thing is doing very great. I just replaced the dust bag. Now it's just gonna be holding up crevices for now. Come on, Roborock. Think about what you're gonna do next. Oh, looks like it's finished. Looks like it's finished cleaning. So, yep, it's gonna move. Let's check the dustbin. Wow, picked up lots. And it deep cleaned really good. You see all the fur and a little bit of the dust. Now we're going to watch it empty its dustbin into the bag I just replaced. And yeah. There's only one piece left. That is very good overall. So good job, Roborock. We are now moving on. Alright guys, I just got the water tank filled up and the mopping attachment installed. Now it's time to mop the floor. It hasn't been mopped in days, so I think it may be time. So let's send him out, shall we? Here we go! Wow, good job. We'll see the final results later. Alright, it just finished mopping. Now it's gonna head home, empty its dustbin again, and we're gonna see how clean this floor is after a really nice mop. As you can see, looking really nice and dry in here, all clean. And then checking the carpet if it got wet. A little bit wet, but okay. Now let's check this carpet. Yep, it's dry. So VibraRise 2.0 did a pretty good job in avoiding that carpet. Now we'll just let RockDock on my Q10V, and yeah. Alright guys, the video is finished. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment and share. We will see you in the next robot vacuum video. Stay tuned and goodbye.